I'm Danielle Hale, Chief Economist at Realtor.com, and here's what you need to know about the economy and housing market this week. Data continue to underscore the resilience of the U.S. economy. Retail sales ticked up, highlighting the willingness of consumers to spend, while jobless claims remain low, pointing to favorable conditions for workers and future spending. With little change in the economic picture, 10-year yields continue to hover around 4%, but mortgage rates extended last week's surge as investors calibrated for the stronger jobs and inflation data earlier this month. The 30-year fixed climbed to 6.4%, its highest in roughly 2 months. Mortgage applications for home purchases took a step back in the face of higher rates, but remained above year-ago pace for a fourth straight week, indicating improvement in homebuyer demand from a year ago. In fact, homebuilder confidence bumped higher in October for a second month, as builders reported improvements in current and expected sales conditions. A better outlook helped drive single-family home permits to a 5-month high, even though total permits fell. Importantly, total housing completions were up nearly 15% from a year ago, with gains in both single and multifamily, meaning more move-in ready options for both home shoppers and renters. The increase in multifamily supply helped hold rents back. A Realtor.com report found that rents dipped by 0.5% from a year ago overall. Nationally, rents are not far off peak level, but regional trends vary, with big cities and the Midwest generally seeing gains, while rents are softer in the South. In fact, rents in New York City continued to climb overall and in all boroughs other than Manhattan. In the for-sale housing market, weekly data from Realtor.com generally showed more steadiness. Of note, home prices were flat after 16 weeks of mild declines, but time on market and active listings were very similar to last week. The new listings data saw a surprise dip that we're investigating further, but it seems likely that Hurricane Milton disrupted new listing activity in many areas. The seasonal best time to buy has passed nationwide, but conditions are still relatively favorable for buyers. Further, in Seattle, next week is the best week, while in several major markets, including Los Angeles, Houston, and Minneapolis, the data show that the last week of October offers peak buyer conditions. Finally, as Election Day nears and voting gets underway, a Realtor.com survey found that nearly a quarter of U.S. adults say that politics influence where they choose to live. Furthermore, as candidates attempt to sway voter opinions, a Realtor.com analysis of home shopping trends and prior election results highlights the importance of the movement of people in reshaping the electoral map. The analysis found that 31 states are likely to shift redder or bluer as a result of population adjustments, including 5 crucial swing states. Neither people nor opinions are fixed, and both are likely to factor into this year's election results. You'll find all the details, including full reports and our housing data for download, at Realtor.com/research. You can also follow us on X, formerly Twitter, for real-time updates, and now Instagram, at Realtor.com Econ, for graphics.